This is nighttime Monaco. It's really pretty. We had a fun time. It's been great 3 days in Monaco.
I learned how to be a good leader and how to speak to people properly so they listen to you. Like there's different types of people where you have to explain how you have to use different body language and different voice, and teamwork. Yeah, we learned a lot.
We went sailing and I think we had a really nice time and good fun sailing together in the sea.
I think it's very important to have a good team, so everybody will collaborate with each other and we can make something better than we will do it alone. Because if you don't have teamwork, then everyone's gonna fail, and like if you don't communicate, then something can go wrong.
And I think that having a variety of skills in the team is what makes, first of all, the day fun, but it also makes it efficient. And I think it's great fun to be with friends and to be able to work together.
It was very fun with the friends. We got to have some free time. We talked.
I really enjoyed it. It was very fun. We were swimming, we learned how to sail, how to actually behave on the boat, and we relaxed.
We're so lucky to be able to have the yacht club, to go to different classrooms, to go on the yachts and sail here. So I think it's a great privilege, and yeah, I would like to thank the school. It's very cool.